Is your Nissan's airbag light flashing? It's a common problem, especially in models like the Rogue, Altima, Sentra, and Pathfinder, manufactured between 2018 and 2025. This light indicates a fault in the supplemental restraint system. Common causes include sensor malfunctions, clock spring issues, especially in high mileage vehicles, wiring problems, or software bugs in the airbag control unit. The light often flashes in patterns. Ignoring it means your airbags might not deploy in a crash, increasing injury risk significantly. Recent recalls have addressed faulty ACUs and clock springs, so checking if your vehicle is affected is crucial. Extreme temperatures and rough driving can exacerbate these issues. To diagnose the airbag light issue, start by using an OBD2 scanner to read the fault codes from your Nissan vehicle. Nissan-specific diagnostic tools like the Consult 3 are ideal for accurate diagnosis and provide detailed error information. Common fixes include replacing faulty components, like the clock spring, which typically costs between $200 and $400. After repairs, system resets are often needed and typically require dealership software for proper calibration. DIY fixes are risky and can permanently disable your airbags, so professional help is strongly recommended. Newer Nissan models, especially electric vehicles like the Leaf and Rogue, have increasing complexity where software updates can trigger the airbag light. For example, a faulty inflator in Nissan Altima models causing flashing lights and rare unintended deployments can often be fixed with a $50 sensor replacement. Regular maintenance and addressing corrosion in wiring are essential for preventing airbag light issues.